And we're back to learning JavaScript on Exercism. This is the ETL exercise. In simple terms, we've got an old system and we want to translate it into a new system. We look at a couple of tests, we can see what's actually meant here. For example, this one at 1 point, and it should be given to these letters. We want to make them lowercase. So there's an old object, and we're going to create a new object. Here's the final test, where you can see all of these letters of the alphabet. They're going to be given different values. Q and Z, for example, get 10 points. A would get 1 point. So how can we do that? At first we'll take the old object, I'll just call it old sys for old system. And we're going to store our result in a new system, also supposed to be an object, so use curly brackets. We use a for in loop to go through our old system. Let me just define let key in old sys. So it is going to go over these numbers. And inside we want to go through the arrays that are stored in these numbers, or that are the values of these numbers. I'll just call that let letter of old sys at the position of key. So for every key we are now going through these letters in the arrays. And then we'll store it in a new system. So this is our variable that we've created, the object new sys. We'll take the letter and then dot to lowercase. As you can see, in the old system it's uppercase and it should be returned as lowercase. And then we'll set it to the number of the key. So the A would get a number of 1, B would get 3, and so forth. And afterwards we only have to return it. So don't forget that. Return new sys. And if I haven't made any typos here, should be good. Oh yeah. Let's look at test 4 once again. So here's the old system. 1 is connected to the array with A, E, I, and so forth. And Q and Z would be 10. So this is exactly what our code here does. And this I can solve ETL using JavaScript and Exercism. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.